Are you ready to create your own social media website, something that works just like Facebook, but with your own personal touch? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a full-featured social network using WordPress. By the end of this, you'll have a solid foundation where users can sign up, connect, chat, join groups, and more, all running on your own site. So let's jump right in. The first key step is selecting and installing the right theme. This part is critical because your theme isn't just about how your website looks. It also determines how well things function and how easy it is for users to connect and interact with each other. When it comes to building a social network, you want a theme that plays nicely with social plugins, specifically BuddyPress or BuddyBoss. Themes like Clio are popular for a reason. They're purpose-built for communities, so things like member profiles, activity feeds, and user groups look clean and work smoothly. To install a theme, just head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance, and then Themes. From here, you can search for a compatible theme, click Install, and activate it. Don't worry if your site looks a little empty right now. This is just the canvas where your community will soon come to life. Next, let's give our site some social superpowers by installing the core social plugin, BuddyPress. BuddyPress is free, trusted, and adds all the fundamental features you'd expect in a social media platform. From your dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New and search for BuddyPress. Once you see it, just click Install Now and then Activate. After activating, you'll want to configure which bits of BuddyPress you want to enable. Navigate to Settings, then BuddyPress. This is where you can switch on or off components like member profiles, so users can add details about themselves, activity streams, which create a sort of mini Facebook wall, showing all the latest updates and posts, user groups so people can join discussions around specific topics or interests, private messaging because sometimes conversations need to be one-on-one, friend connections, think add friend buttons, and email notifications, which keep your users in the loop when someone messages them or interacts with their stuff. Take your time here. The nice thing is you can adjust these options anytime as your community grows. And once you've made your choices, remember to hit Save. I know this sounds simple, but even experienced site builders have forgotten to click Save after a late night. Now that we have our features, let's make sure your visitors can actually find and use them. BuddyPress helps by automatically creating the basic pages your community needs, like activity, members, groups, and registration. These are the building blocks of your social network, but to make them easily accessible, we want to add them to your main navigation menu. Go to Appearance and then Menus in your dashboard and add those new BuddyPress pages to your site's main menu. This is like giving your users a map with clear signposts to all the areas of your platform. They won't get lost or frustrated, which makes them more likely to stick around. And don't forget, you need to enable registration so that new users can actually sign up. Under Settings, go to General and check Anyone can register. This little checkbox is what transforms your website from a closed room into an open community. Alright, you're almost there. Before you launch your social network to the world, it's super important to test everything. Take a bit of time to sign up as a test user, make sure profiles can be edited, join or create a group, and send messages back and forth. Glitches can happen, so catching them early will save you headaches down the road and give your users a smooth, enjoyable experience from day one. Once everything is running smoothly, keep an eye on your community using BuddyPress's built-in moderation tools. You'll want to occasionally check for spam or inappropriate content, approve new signups if needed, and step in to keep your space friendly and welcoming. And there you have it. With these steps, you've built the foundation for your very own social media platform, all using WordPress. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more advanced features in the future. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on creating awesome websites. Thanks for watching and happy building.